September is a month we take very seriously here at Pickup Outfitters. It's the month that is the heart of our cause, where we ratchet up the fight to end truck nudity. Every year we pause and reflect because September is Grille Guard Awareness Month. We all know someone who suffers from full frontal truck nudity, and September is the month we can make a difference together. We're doing our part at Pickup Outfitters during Grille Guard Awareness Month with our free installation on all Grille Guards purchased and installed at Pickup Outfitters. And a portion of the proceeds will be used to fight truck nudity in Central Texas. This includes Grille Guards, bull bars, front-end replacement bumpers with Grille Guards. We're doing our part with free installation during the month of September, and now we're asking you to do your part. Please help us fight full frontal truck nudity with a new Grille Guard during Grille Guard Awareness Month at Pickup Outfitters. CreateACommotion.com/GrilleGuard.